guys. Welcome. Oh, we've got the USA, Free State, Durban, Eastern Cape, Namibia. I love it. That is the power of an online business. Just make sure you guys are all muted, okay, so we don't talk over each other. And put a one in the comments there for me if this is your very first time to seeing us live. If a one in the comments if this is your very first time. It's like you haven't attended a live webinar with us before. Ooh, I love all the newbies. And put a two in the comments if you've been before. You haven't started your online business yet. Okay? Awesome. All right. Are you guys excited to get going and get started? I'm excited. Okay, so let's dive in. I know your time is valuable. All of our times are valuable. I just want to give you a little bit of a heads up. I want you to just put all distractions away. Okay, because I know we live in a world where everything can distract us. And if you're going to be distracted, you might miss something amazing here. Okay, I know I'm talking from experience.